Please observe, myself is Ramesh. I'm a founder and a director to Lara Technologies. I'm running Lara Technologies from 2005 onwards. Before 2005, almost 6 years I worked in the different MNC companies. Then I started this learning platform. From 2005 onwards till now, I've taken more than 173 batches. Close to 53,000 students undergone training in Java and J2EE. In across the India, in every company, my students are there. Not only in the Bangalore, in other cities also, my students are working in different companies. I can say proudly like in every company my students are there. Some students are started their own companies as well. Some students reach to very higher positions in the bigger companies. From 2018 onwards, I'm keep thinking about online study, online teaching, some kind of experiments in the online. I started in late 2017, 2018, 2019. It was really good. But afterwards, what I found is students or the learner doesn't have a time like every day attending classes in the same time. So instead of asking the students to attend classes in the live every day in the fixed timing, if we provide self-paced learning, something like recording and providing to them whenever they wanted, they can go through that video and they can change the speed of that video. You may be already aware of 2x speed, 1.75x speed, 1.5x speed, even 0.75x speed. In the YouTube, while going through any videos, we are able to set how much fast it should get over. That we can treat like a self-paced learning. Self-paced. So student he can choose how fast content should get over or how slow the content should go. If that is there, then student can play any number of times whenever he is free and according to his own speed. All human beings not having same grasping level, maybe same understanding level. Some people required more time to understand, some people required less time to understand. So based on all the things, from 2019 onwards, I started thinking about maintaining self-paced online learning platform that results only this lara.co.in. In the lara.co.in, several courses clearly recorded and uploaded into different courses. For this lockdown period, I provided 100% free. Anybody can able to sign up. They can learn all available 12 courses. Most of the people signed up and they started learning these 12 courses. For these 12 courses, almost I spent 450 hours content, some thousands together. quiz programs. I can say like some questions which will be telling to the student whether he understood fully or not. Here, every course containing topics, subtopics, micro topics. Consider one micro topic. If that micro topic is explained in 30 minutes, immediately after 30 minutes, there will be one test paper. He has to attend that test paper. Through that test paper, he can come to know whether he understood fully that 30 minutes content or not. For every micro topic, there is a test paper. We are also learners. We know test is very important to check whether our learning is suitable or not, whether our learning is perfect or not. So here I maintained a test paper for every micro topic. Some micro topics are taking 30 minutes of delivery, some micro topics are taking 45 minutes or 1 hour or even 1.5 hours. As soon as micro topic is getting over, automatically test paper will be populating. He can attempt the test paper. He can evaluate where he is. If he really scored less marks, he can visit the entire topic, entire micro topic. He can replay the same video. Let us consider he got the moderate marks, but he wanted to know where he committed mistakes. He can review the test paper. While going through review, he will be getting what he attempted for a particular question and what is the actual answer. So through that, he can come to know where he committed a mistake. Likewise, micro topic wise, learning evaluation. In a subtopic, if 10 micro topics are there, after finishing a subtopic, he can write a test by selecting all 10 micro topics. This is also one of the very important feature. Let us consider, so today is a Sunday. I wanted to spend some time to learn. I spent first micro topic, I wrote the exam also. Second micro topic, I wrote the exam. Likewise, I finished 5 micro topics. Still some more micro topics are there in the same subtopic, but I want to know combinedly how much knowledge I got in these 5 micro topics. Then I can select that 5 micro topics. I can ask to the system to generate a paper to write the test in that 5 micro topics. So cumulative test by selecting multiple micro topics. So here learning and evaluation, totally leaving to the student. Whatever fast you wanted, you can learn. Whenever you wanted, you can compose the test and you can write. Whenever you wanted to, you can repeat. You can review, completely giving a chance to students itself. One more very important point. While going through the video, we are allocating some points for encouragement purpose. While writing a micro topic test, we are allocating some points. We are allocating some points for encouragement purpose. Whenever he is writing a cumulative test by choosing multiple micro topics, again we are allocating some points for encouragement purpose. Please observe, points concept gives more encouragement. So in the morning I was having 110 points. By end of the day, today by end of the day, my points should become a 200. For that purpose, let me spend as much time as we wish. So either 10 hours or 8 hours based on his convenience. If 3 people are enrolled for our application, assume those 3 people are friends. Then there will be a discussion. How many points you earned? What is your rank? So there will be more encouragement. So because of that, points are very much required while playing a game also. Because of the points only, we are getting a more concentration, more interest to play the game. Same we have implemented in our learning platform also. So most of the people aware of computers, at least basics, while going through our content. If he really wanted to test any of the program, he can use online compiler, which is available, which is available in our application itself. In our application, he doesn't require to go to other window in order to check whether he understood fully or not. Please remember, in our application itself, online compiler is incorporated. He can compose any of the program to check whatever he is learning. So all these features we kept combinedly in our application. So something like a micro topic wise exam. Please remember, micro topic means a small topic in the subtopic. Subtopics will be in the topic. Multiple topics will be in one course. Course is divided into multiple topics. Each topic divided into subtopics. Each subtopic having a micro topic. Micro topic wise videos are there. For every micro topic, one video. As soon as that video got over, immediately exam is starting. Afterwards, after going through 5 6 micro topics, you can write a cumulative exam by selecting multiple micro topics. By selecting multiple micro topics. Then, whatever exams you are writing, whatever exams you are writing, those exams can be reviewed. Those exams you can review. We can use online compiler in the same application. You don't require to install JDK or any other softwares. All you can able to learn from our application itself by choosing online compiler. Earning points, you can able to earn the points. So play at a self pace. So you can increase the speed or decrease the speed based on your capability of understanding. With all these features, we will be sharing your records to the recruiters. There is a chance of getting placed through our online learning itself. But we cannot guarantee because of several factors required to get placed. But this will be one of the best tool to get placed in the industry. How students will be getting placed once they enrolled into our application? Based on the points, based on the exams, whatever exams they wrote, and how much points they have went through, and how many topics covered, based on that, recruiters can come to know about your records. Please observe, recruiters are having a separate login. Through their login, they can search for a student who is having a more points or who covered more concepts or who revived more times or who wrote the more exams, what is the average score of all the exams. Based on that, recruiters can identify sincere students from our database. Then recruiters will call to that sincere students. Even Lara also will take care of identifying sincere students and keep sending some drive information, some kind of interviews information to those people. This is about learning, evaluation, and hiring. I can call this as a LEH. So learning, evaluation, and getting hired automatically. So here mainly my focus is Java. Under Java, Whatever courses are there, all I have incorporated. Every course of Java I have incorporated. Let me show which are the courses available under Java package. So under this Java package, these are the courses available. Core Java Basics and Advanced, SQL, Logical Coding, Data Structures, Algorithms, then JavaScript, Angular. So here totally 8 courses are there under one package. We are calling this package as a college to corporate. Come on. College to corporate. These 8 courses will be not only these 8, there are some more also allocating to the same package. You can find 3 here, SQL already there. Then this is a different package, but for the college students, we are providing these also. JDBC, Servlets and JSP. Earlier 8, now these 3. Totally 11. 11, yeah, these are repetition under different packages. Total 11 courses are there under Java stream. All these 11 courses are very much required for a final year graduate or any student whoever studying and whoever planning to enter into the software. Very basic content. With my total experience, I composed with several examples. Definitely, every student will be very happy while going through the content. I can say like a content is worldwide competitive content, and the features whatever available in our application, whatever we have seen earlier in our application, all these features also I can say like a worldwide competitive features. Most of the applications doesn't have these features. It doesn't have these features. Now with these 11 courses we can start advertising to colleges, any institutes. But institutes are not like a main audience for us. Mainly colleges, even plus two colleges also having a Java in some of the boards like a CBSE or ICSE syllabus. They have a Java in the plus two also. So plus two colleges and any graduate colleges. The graduate colleges, it can be mathematics based or technical based. Mathematics based, BSc, MSc, technical based, BE, BTech, even BCA, MCA. These type of colleges are perfect audience to our portal. The people whoever joining as a BDA, Business Development Associate, BDA in Lara Technologies, they will be having 3 places where they can get a revenue. Totally 3 different places to get the revenue. The first place is online self-learning from lara.co.in. Online self-learning lara.co.in. Whatever I showed till now, whatever I showed till now, it is one place of revenue generation. First, we'll focus on self-paced. First one, self-paced. Online learning. So here totally 11 courses are there. 11 courses. All are self-paced. This is mainly for college pursuing students. The student year can be first year also. Student year can be second year also, third year, final year, whatever it may be the year. And even whatever it may be the branch. Even civil engineers also should require very strong foundation, at least in one programming, for their career. Without a programming civil engineer, he cannot he cannot go to higher stages, even though he's traveling in the civil field itself. Without programming, he cannot grow to higher heights. Not only civil engineer, mechanical, whoever it may be, triple E, ECE, everybody should know at least one programming language very thoroughly. So anybody can able to understand. Anybody, first year person, second year, third year, any branch, right from the scratch, I have taken lot of seriousness on making everybody to understand. I've seen some thousands together students. I've seen like a below average students. I've seen like a the remote colleges where classes are not at all conducting. For every type of people I have seen, and I know where they will be getting a doubts. All the doubts incorporated in the delivery itself. Everybody can able to learn. So first package, it is only at the colleges. BDA person has to reach to the colleges over a phone or over a mail, not personally. Let us consider one BDA person taking a region, something like a one third of a state or one state completely, then searching in the internet for getting a college's information, then giving a call to them, explaining about our all 11 courses of self-paced, all 11 courses of self-paced. If they're interested, then they can buy. So here, as of now, all these courses I'm selling at zero cost. It will be till to July 10th. From July 10th onwards, this original package will be 10K, 10,000 from July 10th onwards. But same, we are selling at 1K for the students, the college students, 1K, each student only 1,000 rupees, but with a condition like minimum 50 students should be in a particular college. Please observe, this is the original price. This is the selling price. If 50 students are coming forward from the same college, this 50 students can be from the same year or from different years, can be from the same branch or different branch. So we are counting 50 students in one college. If 50 students are there in one college, then it will be just 1K. If minimum 50 students, it is only for the college students, not for the students whoever passed out. So whoever searching for a job. So for individual, it will be 10K only. So your, sorry, BDA job, they are reaching to the colleges to explain about this and giving this offer. If minimum 50 students are coming forward, then we will be selling at 1K for each student. And here, we will not be calling to any student to explain about the features. We will be calling to college management only. It can be TPO officer or HOD sir, or maybe a principal, or maybe a correspondent, whoever it may be, like a chairman or whoever it may be. So we will be explaining to them. Either college itself can bear this 1K of each student, or college can collect the fees from the students and they can give to us. So we don't have a responsibility of making students to understand our package and all. College people has to take care of understanding these packages to the students. We will be giving a trial logins to the college management. Let us consider TPO is coming forward. We will give one login to the TPO. Let him to play through all 11 courses. content wise, quality wise, exams wise, cumulative wise, online compiler, everything he can play around. If he is feeling comfortable, then only he can tell to the students. We will be giving a trial logins to every college, either one or two. So let us consider one computer science faculty itself coming forward. Computer science faculty means definitely he will be aware of all these concepts. We are giving one login and he is playing around all the 11 courses, checking quality, content, and the features. Like I was telling, video wise exam, cumulative exams, points, review, all those things he will be checking. Then if he is really interested, then he will be updating to the students management. If management is ready to bear, let them to bear management itself. Otherwise, they themselves can collect the fees from the students. In every college there are like a students leaders. It's not a difficulty to collect. If they found like a our Lara platform is the best, they can take minimum work, minimum like a kind of effort, identifying a college leader for a particular year and spreading this to all the college, all the students, and getting a fees from them. That is not a difficult process. This is one. So for this, what students are getting a benefits at 1000 itself, they are learning 11 courses while going through their graduation or post graduation. This is one major advantage. Doesn't require to go to the any city to understand to learn these 11 courses. They are able to learn while doing the graduation. The second one, definitely every graduate will have a Java paper nowadays in BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA, BTech. In every graduation, Java paper is there. Even civil and mechanical, even though no Java paper, there will be one programming paper that will become a very easy to understand if they went through our course. Then the third benefit, there is a chance of getting placed through our platform. There are chances are there, more chances are there to get placed through our platform if they are taking very seriously. Then what are the benefits to the colleges? So definitely students will get good programming. If any programming paper is there, students will score more marks in that paper. So relatively, while comparing to other colleges, the colleges which are taken our portal, definitely their students will be in the upper side of understanding any programming. The second one, placements. So some people are getting placed through our portal. Definitely, college will be getting more something like a brand value. The third one, if they're really having a Java paper, then they can stop teaching Java paper through any of the esteemed lecturer. So lecturers like a little expensive. Ours is a not a very expensive. If they have a Java paper anywhere, then they can really replace a lecturer with our portal. So here more content is there. Definitely people will get lot of knowledge. There is a chance of getting 95 marks or maybe close to at least 90 marks in their Java paper while they are going through. So management can stop hiring a lecturer for Java technologies. These are the benefits to the colleges. Then what are the benefits to the BDA? That I'll show you later. This is one place getting a revenue. The second one, online live. Every month there will be one batch, online live batch for project development. in Java ecosystem. Self-paced online learning for Java ecosystem. All these 11 courses comes under Java only. People started calling ecosystem. Under Java ecosystem, 11 courses which are very essential. By using these 11 courses, we are developing a one real-time project. Real-time project. It is not a self-paced, it is a live. Every day I will be taking 1 to 1.5 hours time to explain on how project can be developed, real-time project. So here duration is 2 months. The fees is 10K. Please observe. So whoever joining individually, for them fees is 10K. If at all, any college is coming forward for this package for their students, then for the college students, it will be 5K. If at least 10 students, minimum 10 students, 10 students are enrolling. Please observe. Every month there will be one live project by using Java ecosystem. It's a live, daily 1 hour or 1.5 hour. And the timing will be before college hours or after college hours. Before 8 a.m. or after 5 p.m. Please observe. Every month there will be one batch. That batch will go for 2 months. The batches timing will be different while starting in different months. Before 8 a.m. there can be 1 or 2 batches. After 5 p.m. till to 9 p.m. something like a 5 to 9, 4 hours, and morning 2 hours. In these timings only, we will be conducting this type of batch. Every month there will be one batch. So individually, if anybody joining, then 10K. If any college students coming forward through their management, if minimum 10 students are there in one college, then we will be charging 5K only. They will be getting even internship certificate also. Internship certificate. Even in the first also, they will be getting a course completion certificate if they finish all the videos, and they have a minimum 50% of cumulative exams, like on average automatically system will be identifying like all 11 courses videos got over and he scored minimum 50%. He's eligible to receive course completion certificate. Then I myself will be conducting 10-15 minutes online interview kind of things to check whether it is correct or not. If it is really correct, we will be sending course completion certificate to his address in the courier, one hard copy and even mail also. The same way here, they will be getting internship certificate as it is a practical, real-time practical customer project they are developing. I will be showing each and every phase of project development by using higher end technologies. So whatever 11 courses they understood, not only these 11 courses, even some new courses which are highly recommended as a higher end technologies in the current trends, those we are using in the project development. That is the reason it is a 2 months duration. Within 2 months, they can able to learn the content and also developing a project. So here also BDA involving to circulate this to the colleges. If any college providing 10 students, from each student we will be charging 5K. Similarly, there is one more. This is also online live for Python ecosystem. Python ecosystem. Under Python, machine learning is there, Django is there. Likewise, whatever is available, all we can consider as a Python ecosystem. This is also monthly one batch. It's also a live batch. It is also before college hours and after college hours, not in the college hours. Before 8 p.m. Sorry, before 8 a.m. or after 5 p.m. The fees remains at 10K for individual, 5K for the college students if minimum 10 students are there in a particular college. The total Python will be covered here. These two are live. The first one is self-paced. Self-paced just 1K for each student. If minimum 50 students are there, it is like a base for any programming. Base for any programming. Every graduate should aware of this package. That is why. So minimum we are expecting 50 students any year of study, any branch they can. Then this one online live project in the Java. So you will be getting the PDFs which contains all these features, like a first feature, second one, third one, what kind of benefits they will be getting, what we are going to cover. Content wise also, I will be providing in different PDFs and I'll be sending across to you. Same will be sharing to the college TPO or HOD or principal and explaining further. So here three ways of getting a revenue through your hard work. First one self-paced, second one online live for Java project development, third one online live for Python ecosystem. So I'm looking for the people who can work for these three revenues, working from the home itself, taking the responsibility of half state or full state, keep working every month. So every day there will be half an hour maybe interaction with me. I myself will be interacting. So whoever joining in the BDA position, they will be reporting to me straight away. There are no other people. So you don't require to worry about any some misbehavior or anything. I have a close to 20 years of experience. I worked for some several people and a lot of people worked under me. So you will not be finding any kind of misbehavior or any kind of mishandling. So every day half an hour I'll be interacting to know where you are. Okay. So here, so generally a normal person, how much business he can able to get. Let us analyze in 2 minutes itself. See, every day, normally any person can talk minimum 50 people, like a 50 colleges on average in a day. So we have seen this also. It's practically proved. 50 persons talking and explaining about any product is very much possible. Assume 50 colleges spoken, explained about our features. Among these 50, let us consider 10 colleges showed 10 colleges showed some kind of positiveness, not like a fully signing up, just 10 positiveness, just like okay, they're telling send your proposal will go through, send your proposal will send to management, some kind of positive. So in a day, 10 positive interactions definitely we can get out of 50. So here 10 are there, one day. So weekly 6 days are there. Assume Saturday, college people are like a busy. You also might be busy with some kind of mails and reports generation. Consider effective work is Monday to Friday. Effective work, interacting to the clients, interacting to the colleges is Monday to Friday, 5 days. 4 weeks means 20 days. So 20 days into 10, 200. 200 positive colleges. Among 200 positive colleges, definitely there is a chance of making 5 transactions. there is a chance of making minimum 5 transactions among 200 positive colleges. If five transactions are there, if five transactions are there, please observe any kind of transactions, all are equal price. This is 1K for 50,000. This is 5K for 10, again 50,000, 5K for 10. No matter what is the revenue model, it can be self-paced or online. Assume five colleges came forward. Each college minimum 50. There is a chance of earning 2.5 lakhs by each BDA. One BDA work, definitely there is a possibility of getting 2.5 lakhs revenue to the company. So based on that small figure, I'm just giving a target as every BDA will have a target. We understood like 2.5 lakhs is a very reachable amount, but my target is just 50K in every month. Every BDA should get a target of minimum 50,000s, business. After 50,000s, whatever they're getting a business in the same month, in that business revenue, 10% incentives will be. 10% incentives after 50,000s business. Let us consider there is one person who made 3 lakhs in a month. In 1 month, 3 lakhs. First 50,000s for initial reachable. For first 50,000s, no incentives. Then remaining 2.5 lakhs incentives are there. So 2.5 lakhs, 10% is 25,000. So he will be getting 25,000 as incentives in addition to the salary. What is the salary? Salary is 2.4 lakhs per annum. It comes under 20K per month. In this 20K, maximum 200 or 300 might be deducting for PF and PT, professional provident fund and professional tax. You will be getting 19,700 or 800 as a take home. But please remember, 50K minimum targets very much required. We have analyzed like 2.5 lakhs itself, very possible for common person also. But I'm not considering 2.5 lakhs. I'm considering just 50K. What is the reason for minimum targets? You're working from your home. You're a boss for your work. No leaves here. You can take whenever you wanted a leave. No need of applying the leaves. No need of considering like a when is my office hours, when it will start, when it will get over. It's completely you're only a boss for your work. See, if no minimum targets, definitely we cannot say like all people are working seriously. There may be some people who will be keep telling excuses like, I spoken to 60 colleges today, none of the college came forward. Definitely, if 50 colleges are talking, at least 10 colleges with a little positive, okay, looks like a good, give us some time. Or, okay, we will explain to the students, let how students are thinking. Okay, everything is looking like a good. Maybe call after a few days, we can have some kind of interaction. Likewise, definitely 10 colleges. But we are not considering all 10 colleges for final transaction. So every day 10 colleges, likewise 20 working days very effectively, 200 positive colleges. In the 200, we are expecting only 5 colleges. If it is 5 colleges also, you will be getting 2.5 lakhs. But my target is just 50K, just 50K. So to earn your 20K salary. After 50K, whatever you are earning, 10% incentives means it's not a joke. Most of the people under BDA, they're getting 2%, 3%, 4%. So here I'm giving a 10%. There is a chance of earning even 50,000 per month. salary and incentives. So only the thing is taking very seriously, taking very seriously. Then coming to the um, timings and all. So here I already told timing is not a fixed. You can start working from 9 onwards or 10 onwards or 11 onwards. So don't think like a holidays or anything. So you are only a boss for your company. But in the offer letter, I'll be mentioning like a Monday to Saturday working days, Sunday only leave. So Saturday you may require to generate the reports on the work, whatever you develop. So Saturday I may be interacting more time to analyze complete week work. Then no need of applying the leaves. Whenever you wanted, you can take the leave. You can keep working. My sincere um, requirement is something like every month reaching to minimum reachable targets. Afterwards, getting a incentives. And one more thing, once in 2 months, once in 2 months, I will be reviving your salary, reviving your position also. Initially, entry person as a BDA. Once in 2 months, I will keep changing your position like a designation and also your salary based on the work, whatever you are doing. So don't think like, see, even though I'm working more, what happens my salary? So once in 2 months, I will be reviving your salary, but incentives will be remains the same. So it will not be changing. So salary will be proportionately increasing based on your work. Please observe. The next one, no bonds here, no bond. If you are not liking after 1 month, you can quit immediately. Or if you are getting a very good opportunity, assume you got a job in the Amazon. Definitely, it's like a very excellent news. I myself will be feeling very happy to relieve you. Only the thing is, whatever customers you are interacting, just to finish off that customers and provide complete knowledge to me, or if I provide any other person in the same area. It may take 5 days or 10 days or 15 days. Doesn't require a month together, doesn't require 2 months. In most of the companies, there will be a notice period of 1 month or 2 months. Here, there is no notice period. It is only finishing your current activities. Whatever like a customers you are interacting, so finish off them. If I provide any one person, just to give a complete knowledge in 2 3 days, it's not a technical knowledge. It is only the some sharing Excel sheets and I interacted to these people. So these are the contacts. These money transactions we have already done. These people might come forward in the next week. You need to follow. Maximum 1 day or 2 days to transfer your knowledge. So there is no bond, no strict notice period. In the offer letter, I'll be mentioning like it is mutual concern. Notice period is a mutual consent. So mutually. So let us consider you told like a 10 days is sufficient. Then I'll be giving 10 days. Finish off completely ongoing activities and relieve from the office. You will be getting official offer letter. Every month, salary will be credited to your bank accounts. Because of your working from outside, I cannot create a bank account through Lara. To create a bank account, you need to come personally and you need to make a signature. That is why initial 2 months we will take your savings accounts itself. We will make as a salaried account to transfer a salary. That will happen for initial 2 3 months. Whenever possibility is there to create a account, salary account from Lara, that will be happening very immediately. Every month the salary will be getting before 5th of that month, including incentives. So why like a fifth? Definitely, I require some time to calculate all the things. Here, no other persons. I already told I myself is responsible for all the things. So I need to calculate each and every person. I need to uh, allocate completely funds for that. So that is why every month before 5th you will be getting salary. You may be having a little doubt like after working 1 month, even though I'm reaching targets, what if I'm not getting a salary as I'm working outside? So if I'm not getting a salary, what could be? For this, just understand from 2005 onwards, I'm running the same organization. I'm not changing the address, I'm not changing the name. I'm into this for the past 15 years. 200% you don't require to bother about your salary. I'm giving an official offer letter. You can fight with that official offer letter if at all you're finding like that. 200%. That will not be happening. It is not a 1 year old company or 2 years old company or 6 months old company. Thousands together undergone a training here from 2005 onwards. So address is changed in the same location. Initially, there was only like a 20 people accommodation. Within 6 months or 8 months, that place was not sufficient. Then moved to another accommodation where 80 people can accommodate. That also for 1 or 2 years. Later again moved to another location in the same area. So in 2011 to 2015, in every batch I was having 400 students. So there was a very bigger location at that time. So you don't require to bother about your salary. 200%. It is like your hard earned money. 200% you will be getting. I myself is responsible for the same. I'm not an entry person. So definitely I have a some kind of reputation in Bangalore. 200% I will not be looking for any negative feedbacks from anybody. I had to maintain my something like a position, my credibility, my brand value. You don't require to bother about that. Then the last one, please Abhishek. You should have a laptop with a net connection and a smartphone. So laptop definitely required to explain something in the Skype interview to the customers. Internet connection, if it is there, then only you can connect to the clients in the Skype interaction or sending a mail. Then why do we require smartphone? If you have a smartphone, then only you can able to respond to the client in the WhatsApp. Nowadays, most of the customers are happy to interact in the WhatsApp. Definitely, WhatsApp is required. That is allowing in the smartphone only. If you have these three things and able to work from your home with a minimum target as 50K every month, then you're most welcome to join. Whoever interested for this, those people send a mail to me by stating like, so I went through complete business model. I'm accepting your offer. Can you please release the offer? By end of the day itself, I will be releasing the offer. Then I will be keep identifying region wise who will be the BDA. So minimum one BDA required in every state. If 2, 3 people are there, then we can divide a state. So by end of the day itself, you will be receiving the offer letter, but I should have a mail from you. You have to mention the mail like, I went through complete business model. I totally understood. It's not difficult to reach to the minimum targets. So I can work for Lara. Can you provide the offer letter? I'll provide an official offer letter. Joining date will be from July 10th. July 10th will come Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, completely this type of meetings will be arranging. Total this type of meetings, each and every point I'll be clearly explaining. Monday onwards, you will be keep working, but official joining date will be on July 10th. July 10th, it comes on Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days I'll be providing more training. Every point I'll be explaining. Then from 13th onwards, you will be keep reaching to your customers. This is all about total business model. Anybody having any kind of doubts on this? I'm feeling like everything I have explained is still some people might be having some or other queries. If you have any queries, you can just mention in the chat window so that same question will be visible to all the people.